Hello class, this is Robert Smith here, coming from MDF1, term 1309, and this is going to be my week 1 reflection video. This week we were tasked to make a table view with a list of 20 items. It could be any items that we wanted, but each cell needed to transfer to a new view that describes whatever we had in that cell, and also the table view had to be you had to be able to edit it. So I will show you what I did for this week's project. This is a simulator. I basically made a list of my favorite professional mixed martial arts fighters, and as you can see, this is edit. You can edit this, and when you click on any item in the list, it will display a picture of the fighter, and then if you click this button in the bottom right, it'll modally display some information about the fighter, the weight class, the age, professional record, and where they're fighting out of. And it works for any of the fighters. The list is, you can edit the list as you please. And if you click the edit button, it'll go back to just a regular table view. I used storyboards and segues to pass the information. And that's also how I have that cool little page flip deal. Yeah, it's this little, you do it by clicking on the segue, and it's called partial curl. I thought that was a pretty cool little trick. I found storyboards being much easier. This is the first time I've really experimented with storyboards, and it's a whole lot easier than dealing with XIB files. I also found that when you drag a table view controller into the scene, that when you make your class for that scene and you inherit from that UI table view, all the methods that were taught in the videos that Wendy did, all the methods are already in this class. It's already like set up for table view, so you don't have to go in and write all the cell for row at index pass and number of rows in section. Everything's already pretty much done, and there's even stuff like the commit editing style method. It's commented out when you first by default, but all you have to do is uncomment it, and then of course you have to customize it with your own mutable array. And but it's all the code is pretty much already written. You just have to customize it with your own objects, and I found it much easier. And this is the this prepare for segue method is how you pass information from scene to scene. I had a lot of fun with this week. I thought it was, I learned a lot. I'm finally back on track. I'm going to get this class knocked out, and I'm having some fun with it, and I will, yeah, that's about it for this week. But I will see everybody in the WIMBA Early to Go training on Monday, and I hope everyone had as good a time with this assignment as I did. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.